Hi, today you're cooking in Katrina's kitchen, our very special Artavula kitchen where we conduct our cooking classes. And today we're cooking one of our classic dishes that we do in our pasta class or our street food class. It's called Pepperonata, and I'm actually going to be using our beautiful produce that Fred has gathered from his garden for us. His delicious, really beautiful sweet tomatoes, the lovely basil, parsley and onions that we have in our store as well. And not to mention gorgeous peppers and beautiful garlic that he has grown for us. And we use all the way during cooking classes during the year as well. So we'll see you next time. Bye.